Hello everyone. In this video we will be solving exercise 4.3 second sum. Now, so here we will be seeing exercise 4.3 second sum, and it says find the values of k for each of the following quadratic equations. So we have to find the value of k, so that, and we have to find in such a way that so that they have two equal real roots. So the value of k should be found out in such a way that the equation should give us two equal real roots, is what they are saying in the question. So now first of all, what we will do, we will write the values of the equation. A is equal to 2, b is equal to k, and c is equal to 3. Now we know that to find out the nature of roots, we need to check b square minus 4ac. In last, sum we have seen this thing, and we name this particular part of the formula as d. So d is equal to b square minus 4ac. This particular formula part will tell us whether we will get equal and distinct roots, or sorry, real and distinct roots, or real and equal roots, or no real roots. So we need to check this first, because they are asking us to find the value of k in such a way that we get a two real and equal roots. So now we'll go ahead. So d is equal to, b value is k, so it will become k square minus 4, a is 2, and c is 3. So d is equal to, this will become k square minus 4 to the 8, 8 3 is 24. 24. Now we know that if if de will be equal to 0, then then we will get then we will get real and equal roots. So we know this, we have understood this, right? In our last video, in the introduction part, I have explained this. So in order to get equal and real roots, real and equal roots, d should be equal to 0, right? So we have to find the value of k in such a way that we get equal and real roots. So in this equation, we have to put d value as 0 now, is equal to k square minus 24, and we'll solve further. Now k square I will take to the other side. Okay, I will send k square to the other side. Or what I can do, not k square, I need to send a 24 to this side. 1 minute. I need to send a 24 to this side, so minus will become plus, and this is k square, right? So now what I will do, I will send a square to the other side, so it will become square root 24 is equal to k. And when we send square to the other side, and when it becomes a square root, the answer which is going to come out, which has to be shown once in plus and once in minus. So that is the rule of square root. So what we'll do now, we have to find the factors of 24. So if we have to see whether we can solve this further. So now 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4, 2 six are 12, and 2 threes are 6, and 3 ones are 3. So now these are the factors. So what we will do, so here plus or minus, instead of 24, what we will do is we'll write these factors is equal to k. Okay, we will continue here so that we can see clearly. Now here the pairs can come outside the square root. So here this pair is forming, so it can come outside, and the remaining things cannot jump outside this root because they are not forming pairs. So 2 into 3 is the 6. So 6 is equal to k. So therefore k is equal to one time we can write it with plus, and one time we have to show in minus 2 root 6. So this is our answer. So the value of k can be 2 root 6 and minus 2 root 6 to get equal and real roots. Now if we take the value of k as 2 root 6 or minus 2 root 6 here, then this equation will give us real and equal roots when we calculate the answer for this equation. So this is the meaning of this question. So they had asked us to find only the value of k, which we have found out. So this completes our answer for this question. Now we will see the second sub question on the next page. Now here we will see the second sub question. Here also we need to find the value of k. Now first we need to solve this little bit. So kx into x we have to do. So it will become kx square, and kx into minus 2 will become minus 2kx, and plus 6 we will keep it as it is equal to 0. Now we will note down the values. A is equal to k, b is equal to minus 2k, and c is equal to 6. Now we have to check the nature of roots, and the formula for that is b square minus 4ac. Okay, so d is equal to b value is minus 2k, and we'll put a square for this as per the formula, and 4a value is k, and c value is 6. So d is equal to 2 2s are 4, minus minus the plus, and k is square, minus 6 fours are 24, 24k, right? Now we know that if we take d is equal to 0, then we will get real and equal roots, right? Now, so we have to take the value of d to get real and equal roots. We have to take the value of d as 0 to get real and equal roots. So now we will go further. 4k square minus 24k. Now what we can do is we can take 4k common here, right? Because both of them they go. We can take 4 here common, and k also we can take actually. So 0 is equal to 4k, and here in the bracket what we have 1k from here, and minus, and 6 fours are 24, so we can write here 6, and already k one time is outside. Now we'll see here, so we can write this like this also. So 4k, k minus 6 is equal to 0. Now what we can do is we have to equate this 4k once with the 0, and k minus 6 one time with the 0 to get the answer for k. So when when we equate 4k with 0, we will get 4, we will send to the other side, it will become multiplication, will become division, and therefore we'll get the value of k as 0. And another time when we will equate k minus 6 with 0, we'll send 6 to the other side, it will become plus 6. So one more time we are getting the value of k as 6. So this is our answer, guys. The value of k we can take 0 or 6, and then we will get, and then if we take the value of k as 0 and 6 here in this equation, then when we will solve this quadratic equation, we will get real and equal roots for this equation. So this is the meaning of this question. So they had asked us to find only the value of k, which we have found out. Okay, so this is our answer, guys. This completes our this answer for this question. Okay, and like, share, comment, and subscribe the YouTube channel, and visit the website for online tuition classes. Thank you very much, guys.